prepared earlier, surrender yourself to Kamiti Maximum Prison. This is an order issued today by High Court Judge Justice Anthony Mrima to DCI Boss George Kinoti following his conviction last week over contempt of court charges. Justice Mrima has dismissed claims by Kinoti that he was not in possession of confiscated firearms belonging to businessman Jimmy Wanjigi. Kinoti's lawyer, Cecil Miller, had argued that the Firearms Licensing Board should be the one held responsible and not the DCI boss. And as Alan Ochanda reports, the troubled DCI boss is now staring at a 4-month jail term for ignoring court orders. We'll leave you with that report.
Efforts by the Directorate of Investigations boss George Kinoti to rescue himself from the fangs of the court have yet been dealt a blow after High Court Judge Anthony Mrima ruled that there was no evidence to warrant him change his mind on the decision to jail Kinoti for refusing to return 4 firearms confiscated from businessman Jimmy Wanjigi. Kinoti's lawyer Cecil Miller argued that no one is refusing to hand over the firearms to Wanjigi, but that he sued the wrong party and should instead hold the Firearms Licensing Board responsible, as it is the body mandated to store the firearms owned by civilians. Justice Mrima, however, dismissed the argument, ruling that the court had previously found that the guns are not held by the Firearm Licensing Board and that it is the DCI who obtained orders allowing them to search Wanjigi's homes in Muthaiga and Malindi, after which they seized his firearms, and that they cannot now turn and pass the blame to the licensing board. The Wanjigi guns drama that began in 2018 when his home was under siege for 3 days is becoming nastier, as the court says in the event Kinoti fails to avail himself as ordered. A warrant of arrest will be issued against him. The warrant shall be executed by the Inspector General of Police. If he fails to execute the warrant, the same shall remain valid and be executed at any time, including when Kinoti leaves the office of the DCI. Alan Ochanda, KTN News.